Hey, how's it going, folks? ET here with another iMovie tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to do a semi-transparent overlay of another video on top of your main video. So it'll look something like this. You'll notice that the video on top is at about 50% or give or take percentage of opacity. So you can see the background video and the one on top of it. So if you're interested, stick around and we'll show you how to do it. It's really easy. Okay, first thing we're going to do is actually let's clear out the timeline. And let's just imagine that you're starting a new video. You're going create new. Let's get a piece of video or two in the timeline. And which one were we doing? We're doing the HEB one here. And let me go ahead and lower the sound here. And I'll do one of these. Which one is shorter? We'll do this one here. So what you're going to do is grab that piece of video and drag it on top of your other one. And we'll go ahead and lower the sound here as well so we don't get disturbed. All right. So once you have it on top here, this will be, the bottom one is your main video. It's going to be staying the way it is. The one on the top here, this is the one you can control the transparency. So if you needed to do it the reverse order, you'd grab that one, put here, and you'd grab the HEB and put it there. So let's do that. That way I can show both ways. All right, so what you do is the clip on the top, this is your top layer. You'll click to select it so you'll see the orange highlight around it. You're gonna go up to your first little menu item here, click on that, and you'll go to your menu. You're gonna do a cutaway. Just go ahead and do the cutaway right there. And now you have control of opacity. So you can actually change the opacity based on where you have this little toggle thing here. So we'll put it about 50%. And now I'll go ahead and play. And you'll see that we have a 50%. Maybe we want a little bit more opacity there. Maybe we want a little bit lighter. Like maybe I only want a teeny bit. There we go. So things that you can do to this layer that's above it, you can actually grab the little tool here and make it fade in, and you can make it fade out, fade in, fade out. Again, if there is sound on the track, you can grab the little sound line here and drag it all the way down so that you can control which piece of sound you want playing. If you want them both at the same time, go ahead and leave them the way they are. But normally you'd have one of them that you want to keep and another one you don't want to keep. So that's what you would do. Just lower the sound or raise the sound depending on what you need there. All right, so that's it for this one. Now let's look at this other one here. We have the flowers as the main track here, and then we have the HEB as the top track. We'll select the top track here, click the first icon, and we'll make sure it's set to cutaway. And we'll go ahead and control the opacity there. And we'll just put 50% here. Let me move this a little bit so we can see before and after. Alrighty, that's pretty much how you do it. So really, all you need to decide is what do you want in the background, what do you want in the foreground, and how see-through or semi-transparent do you want the clip to be. And that's it. Alrighty, thanks for watching as usual. We'll talk to you next time. Peace and aloha.